Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jeevan Tech. My name is Jeevan KP and another video. So today I'm going to show about the MIUI 10 global version 8.89 regarding the update which I am going to say something. So guys, let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
So guys, so these features comes with a calendar, which is the storage for all users. There comes with extra screen and will be some changes. So I'm going back and let's see the calendar. So already updated from this website. I can see the updated status is MIUI 10 8.89 beta. So as you can see, go to update, it's checking items, but currently the slow internet here, no updates available. So guys, and go to the calendar. Yeah, if I click 25th, says Onam. So if I click on it, it says the event and everything stuff like that already is in India. If I click this 15th August, it says Independence Day. If I click the additional link, will come the Independence Day logo and the information about other thing. So and that's all guys, these features, everything is super fast in this update. You can see the updates also, everything is super fast and stuff like that. So guys, thanks for watching guys. If you make sure to like this video, share your friends, and any questions related on this update, make sure comment down below and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye.